The Jackal and the Sun-Child. A jackal is a wild dog with a big black back. It resides in the desert. But how did the jackal get his black back? This was how it happened. One day, the jackal saw a girl. She was sitting upon a rock. She was not a normal child. She was a rare and beautiful sun-child. She was bright and warm like the sun. The child saw the jackal and smiled. She said,
"Jackal, I have been relaxing on this rock for too long. I must get home soon. But I am slow and you are fast. You will likely get me home more quickly."
Then she requested,
"Will you carry me home? If you do, I'll give you a gift. This necklace belongs to me, but I will give it to you."
The wild jackal agreed. So the sun-child sat on the dog's back. They started to walk, but soon the jackal felt ill. The sun-child was very hot on his back. The heat was hurting his back very badly.
"I made a terrible error in judgment," he thought.
He shouldn't have agreed to carry her, so he asked her to get off. But she did not. The jackal's back continued to get hotter and harder. He had to get away from the sun-child, so he made a plan. First he ran as fast as he could. He hoped the sun-child would fall off, but she did not. So when the sun-child was looking at the sky, not aware of the jackal's next plan, he jumped into a field of flowers. As a result, the child rolled off his back. The jackal ran away. But the sun-child left a mark on the jackal's back, a visible black mark. Ever since his experience with the sun-child, the jackal has had a black back.